Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set task reminder notifications in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait a moment for your emails and inbox to fully load before proceeding to the next steps. Now that everything's loaded up, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab in the upper left corner and click on it. This will open up a menu that gives you access to various account and application settings. Once the File menu opens, scroll down to the bottom of the menu where you'll find the Outlook Options button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window called Outlook Options, which is where you can customize how Outlook behaves and manage various features including task reminders. In the Outlook Options window, look at the left side panel where you'll see several different settings tabs listed vertically. Scroll through these tabs until you find the one labeled Tasks and click on it. This tab contains all the settings related to how your tasks function within Outlook, including reminder notifications and visual customization options. Under the Tasks tab, you'll see a section called Task Options. This is where you can control your reminder settings. Start by locating the checkbox that allows you to set reminders on tasks. Click on this checkbox to enable automatic reminder notifications for your tasks. This ensures you won't miss important deadlines or forget about pending work. Next, you'll want to configure when these reminders actually appear. Look for the time drop-down menu and click on it. From here, you can select how far in advance you'd like to be notified before a task is due. Choose a time that works best for your workflow, whether that's a few hours, a day, or even a week before the task deadline. You'll also notice options to customize the visual appearance of your tasks. There's a setting for overdue task color, which lets you choose what color overdue tasks will display in. This visual cue helps you quickly identify tasks that need immediate attention. Similarly, you can set the completed task color, which changes how finished tasks appear in your list, making it easy to distinguish between what's done and what's still pending. After you've configured all these settings to your preference, click the OK button at the bottom of the window. This will save all your changes and apply your new task reminder notification settings immediately. And that's it. You've successfully configured task reminder notifications in Outlook, making it easier to stay on top of your deadlines and manage your workload efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.